Hi, this is Bike Check, a 2014 Arron Ross X. Hope you guys enjoy. Hi guys, this is my BMX, I guess, and it's nice. I like the color and stuff, pink, I guess, and paint splatter. You guys can see here. It's 20.75 inches that way, and it's chromoly here, and here's a wave down tube. You can see the waves.
Yeah, it's like
in the video.
it's for extra frame sport.
Yeah, and then chromoly and chromoly, and yeah. Hey guys, this is my handlebars. They're Triumph extra large replicas of Arron Ross. They're pretty good. They have paint splatter too. The only things that don't have paint splatter on my bike are the hubs, these, and the rims. I kind of like it like that. Or else they'd just be overboard with the paint splatter, and the grips, I guess. And the grips are Arron Ross's signature. Yeah, and the stem don't have paint splatter. These are Arron Ross signatures. The bar ends, you don't need to look at them, but they're Odyssey. You can't really see bar ends in video unless you have perfect lighting. And then the forks are, the stem is a Sunday Freeze top load. It's good. And the forks are just full chromoly. They're the X, Sunday X. These are Sunday Current tires. They are 20 times 2.25.
That's the front.
Yeah.
Then the back is 20 times 210.
They're the exact same, I'm pretty sure.
No.
No, oh yeah, never mind. And the chain is a PYC 410H. It never falls off. I've had this bike not long. It's haven't fallen off. I've actually rode it around quite a bit. And the hubs, the front hub is a Sunday 36H sealed female, and the axle's 3/8. It's nice. Like I said before, the back hub doesn't make much sound either. The back hub's a same Sunday 36H sealed female, except it's a 9T. I like that.
9-tooth.
Yeah, 9T. The pedals are Odyssey Twisted PC. The pedals. I actually kind of customized. This is like the only thing I've customized. If you look on the tire, I got a little rocket as the cap. And the sprocket is a Sunday Sabertooth, 25 tooth. Yeah.
I have a 28 tooth on my bike. It's a little bit harder to pedal, but I find you go a lot faster.
The rims are Sunday Lightning rims. They're good. I don't think I'll ever bend them unless I ride with no air in my tire.
And they are double wall.
Yeah.
Which my bike has triple wall.
The cranks are 175mm Sunday Saker cranks. They're good. You can talk about your bike with it.
Well, mine have Sunday Thunderbolt cranks. They're a little bit better. They're like more sealed than these ones. They're kind of lighter because these ones aren't chromoly. They're just alloy. Mine are full chromoly.
We forgot to talk about the brakes, so we'll go to the brakes.
Okay.
The brake is an Odyssey Springfield.
That's the back.
And
That's
the brake cable's a Quick Slick.
I have the same one on mine.
The seat is an Odyssey Ross Principal Tripod.
The seat. Mine is pivotal. This one is you can't adjust it.
The seat clamp is just Sunday.
Yeah.
Obviously. And that's about it. So if you guys, I recommend this bike. It's good, comfortable. It's good for once you get decent at BMXing. This is my third bike that I've ever had, which I'm pretty lucky. I paid for it myself, so don't be saying, "Oh, he's spoiled." I paid for it myself.
I didn't.
No, his parents bought his. His grandparents actually. I recommend this bike. It's nice. It's the tires are just basically they're good.
They I
They
like
wear out easy.
personally I like Arron Ross tires more, but
These
ones
ones wear out, but
yeah.
it's good. I recommend this bike. I'd rate it 9 out of 10. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Bye bye.